Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Castor Oil Pack Wrap is probably one of the most underrated wellness tools out there. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Castor Oil Pack Wraps, exploring their benefits, and helping you find the perfect one for your needs. Whether you're new to this natural remedy or a seasoned user, this video will provide valuable insights to enhance your wellness journey. Number 5. Castor Oil Wrap, Organic Cotton Pack. Experience the difference with this premium Castor Oil Pack Wrap. It's made with 100% organic cotton flannel, because what you put on your skin matters. This wrap is designed for your wellness. Simply apply castor oil onto the compress and wrap it on your skin. Many people use it for liver detox, constipation relief, and more. It's a simple addition to your routine. This wrap features a washable, skin-friendly organic cotton inner layer. It also has a leak-proof outer layer made of Oxford cloth. The straps are strong yet comfortable. There's a small pocket to add hot or cold packs. The adjustable straps allow you to tailor the pack to your specific needs. It's designed for your comfort and convenience. Designed to stay in place while you relax, this reusable pack makes it easier than ever to support your wellness. It hugs your body without slipping or bunching, day or night. What we like? This wrap uses 100% organic cotton, ensuring a gentle experience on your skin. It also features a leak-resistant outer layer and adjustable straps for a comfortable fit. If you are looking for a premium castor oil pack wrap that prioritizes both comfort and quality, you should consider this. What people say. This has truly made my hair thicken up and grow, and the moisturizing that it gives my hair is unbelievable. It's easy to use this by placing it in your hand and rubbing it in. My hair is the softest it has ever been. Very thick. I bought this BC. A review said they had no allergic reactions. I am hypersensitive to everything. After a week I have had zero issues. My skin is extremely dry, especially my thighs. I put it on there. The issue I do have is, I cannot put oil on with the palms of my hands. So either I use gloves or the upper part of my hands. I am OCD, in many things. I cannot stand anything that makes me uncomfortable. I have found this product to make the palms of my hands so oily, even after washing multiple times, that I cannot rest until I get it off after multiple washings. This drives me insane. I will say that my thighs feel much better using this. I had to use a gel prior that was extremely thick also. I find this oil actually appears to get into my skin. Therefore I am not constantly itching. Would I recommend? Yes. Excellent quality. This product is absolutely the best for face, eyes, hair, and skin. Number 4. DEROWN Castor Oil Pack Kit. This castor oil pack is designed with 2 layers of cotton flannel and 2 layers of waterproof PUL material, preventing any oil leakage. It's mess-free and reusable, making it a convenient choice. With a minimum waist size of 30 inches and a Velcro design, it's easy to wear, even for those with arthritic hands. The streamlined ergonomic design and soft organic cotton flannel ensure a comfortable experience, allowing the oil to absorb effectively. Using this kit is simple. First, lay the castor oil pack flat with the soft cotton side up. Then, place the rectangle cotton flannel on the pack and apply the oil. It's that easy. This pack, when used with organic castor oil, can help with digestive issues and joint or muscle pain. It may also improve your immune system and sleep quality. The elastic straps provide a stable hold, so you can wear this pack while working, sleeping, or even doing yoga. It's designed for your convenience and comfort. What we like? This pack is designed with a non-oil leak feature, keeping your experience mess-free. It's also easy to wear and offers a comfortable fit thanks to its ergonomic design and soft organic cotton. If you want a castor oil pack that is easy to use and comfortable, you should consider this. What people say. I use this pack every night with castor oil and I have been noticing a difference in waking up not bloated, which I'm glad it's working for me. It's also good for heating packs and being able to place them and have a barrier between the pad and your skin, which is nice. It works great. It protects my bed since I usually put it on at night. Works well. Like the Velcro, doesn't come off at night and keeps all the oil in. Number 3. DEROWN Castor Oil Pack Wrap. This castor oil pack is designed with 2 layers of cotton flannel and 2 layers of waterproof PUL material, effectively preventing oil leakage. It's made of cotton, ensuring a mess-free and reusable experience. Featuring a Velcro elastic strap, it's easy to wear, even for those with arthritic hands. The streamlined ergonomic design and soft organic cotton flannel material ensure user comfort, allowing the castor oil to absorb effectively into your skin. Using this castor oil pack kit is simple. First, lay the pack flat with the soft cotton side facing up and the tag facing down. Then, place the rectangle cotton flannel on the wrap and apply the oil. It's beneficial for the digestive tract, and for joint and muscle pain. Using it with pure castor oil can improve your immune system and sleep quality. The wrap has 2 elastic straps for a stable hold, so it won't shift. You can wear it while working, sleeping, or even doing yoga. What we like? This wrap also boasts a non-oil leak design, ensuring a mess-free experience. The design is easy to wear and provides a comfortable fit. If you are looking for a castor oil pack that is easy to use and comfortable, you should consider this. What people say. It is easy to use with one hand, as the other is holding it in place. It doesn't shift or roll, and stays in place. It's adjustable, so easy to use in different areas. I can comfortably sit for several hours in this. Overall, would recommend. It's not scratchy or irritating. I like the design, it looks good and has a nice pocket to put heating pads in for better absorption. Number 2. 2-pack Castor Oil Pack Wrap Kit. This kit includes a wrap for both your neck and waist. You can use them simultaneously to improve blood circulation and reduce inflammation. It's a convenient way to save time and boost your well-being. Forget about button belts. This wrap features a hook and loop tape design. You can easily adjust it to fit your waistline. It's more adjustable and much easier to use. The wrap has a handy zipper pocket. You can insert heat or cold packs for enhanced comfort. This feature helps to accelerate oil absorption or provide a cooling sensation, depending on your needs. It's designed with a double layer. The soft bamboo cotton inner layer absorbs the oil effectively. The outer layer is water and oil resistant, preventing leaks. It's mess-free, machine washable, and reusable. This castor oil pack kit is designed to enhance your body's natural processes. Using it can contribute to a better and healthier lifestyle. Experience the benefits and improve your daily life. What we like? This kit includes wraps for both your waist and neck, allowing for simultaneous relaxation and enhanced benefits. The adjustable design ensures a perfect fit, and the anti-oil leak feature keeps things tidy. If you like the idea of a comprehensive kit that targets multiple areas, you should consider this. What people say. Perfect for castor oil pack. This was a good set with soft material and easy tighten strap. Perfect for the use of castor oil like a poultice. Did not allow bleed through or drips. Number 1. MUZAMOX Organic Castor Oil Pack Kit. This triple action formula utilizes USDA organic castor oil. It supports liver function and revitalizes hair follicles. It also balances skin texture with deep omega-6 nourishment. It's fragrance-free and safe for nightly use. This product contains USDA-certified organic castor oil in a glass bottle. It's unrefined, cold-pressed, and hexane-free. The amber glass preserves the oil's purity, ensuring therapeutic-grade quality. The waist wrap features an adjustable elastic strap, fitting waists from 19 to 45 inches. An adjustment buckle on the neck pad allows for a comfortable fit. This design ensures a personalized and effective experience. The Castor Oil Pack Wrap has a 4-layer design. The inner layer is made of soft flannel fabric for optimal oil absorption. The exterior is water and oil resistant, preventing leaks. It's mess-free, machine washable, and reusable. The kit includes organic castor oil in a glass bottle, a neck pad, a waist pad, and a storage bag. Our customer care team is ready to assist with any questions. This kit provides everything needed for a comprehensive castor oil experience. What we like? This kit includes not only the wrap but also organic castor oil, providing a complete solution. It features an adjustable design to fit most body types and is made with skin-friendly materials. If you are looking for a complete castor oil pack kit with everything you need, you should consider this. What people say. Perfect. Much better than the ones with the ties. It even has a packet for a hot water bottle. Thyroid A+. Super soft and comfortable too. I really like this product. It is well made and it fits me. Included in the package, 2 elastic Velcro extenders for plus size, a square piece of cotton flannel and a nice washing bag. You apply the castor oil, sold separately, to the square cotton flannel. I'm happy I chose this style of wrap so I could adjust the sides with the bands. The closure with the buttons have worked great so I can adjust the pressure and it stays put. I lay the castor oil pack on my heating pad and then drizzle it with oil. The heating pad warms it up and after it's visibly seeped into the cloth I put it on and sleep with it all night with the heating pad on top of it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.